What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna restore the headlights on the GTR. They say this works pretty good, so we'll try it out. Hey guys, so it should be fairly quick and easy. It's a 3-step process. I'm gonna start off by wiping down the headlight and get off that dust removed, and then I'll just follow these steps and see how it looks. So this is a quick before. Ugly. So we're gonna compare that to this right now and see how the results are. All right guys, so it's a little windy, my bad, but first I'm gonna use my microfiber rag. Just wipe off all that dirt. I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure on it either, just kind of wipe it down real quick. Then wipe this one down. Same thing, not a lot of pressure, just like that real quick. Damn. My bad for the background noise. This is like the best place for lighting, but these people are vacuuming their whips and shit. Oh well. All right, so now that I got the headlight wiped off, let's open up the kit and see what's in here. So it's the little applicator pads and the sanding discs, some gloves, the oxidation remover, which is this is the first step. Then this is step number 3, which is a ceramic coat. And then step number 2 would be sanding it down. So 1, 2, 3. Should be easy. So after going over the instructions, I got step 2 set up. Step 2 says to put the red disc on first and then the gray one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this oxidation remover. I'll hit both headlights up and then I'm gonna wet this rag, wipe it down, get all that yellow stuff out, and then we'll go from there. Car wash is pretty dead today. Dope Raptor. But there's no one else, nothing else. So I'm gonna get this rag wet real quick. I'm gonna have some parts dry, just in case I need a dry rag. I have an extra one in the car, but just in case. A little bit more, because that's not enough. And yeah. Shit, get that beast lurking right here in the corner. Looking nice. So I'm gonna just wipe it down one more time, make sure I get all that dirt off, and then I'll get this side as well. Then dry it up. Oh shit. Dry it up. All right, so I already opened up this one. Oh shit. Yeah, don't do that. And it says to go in a circular motion, so we'll try that. Give me one moment. Circular. They say you should be able to see the yellow start coming off, so we'll see how true that is. It already looks crazy though. Bringing out the color. And there's the after. So clearly it does take off the oxidation. Look at that headlight and look at that one. That's crazy. So the instructions do say to use each wipe to get it as clean as possible. So all right guys, so on the instruction it says to use all the wipes. I believe it was like 6 wipes, and little by little you could see that the yellowing doesn't appear much on the rag. This is already the final little wipe, so we'll see how that goes and check it. It's crazy, huh? So we'll get this one wiped off and then I'll start with sanding it. And then from there, I'll put the final product in and see what the outcome looks like. It looks like it's gonna work, but I've tried many products and they usually don't work very good. So we'll see. All right, guys, and this is where things get a little bit scary. So I'm gonna start sanding the headlight, and I'm gonna use this water bottle as like a spray bottle, since I don't have a spray bottle on me. But basically, I would have to sand the headlight and make sure I don't get none of the paint. So I'm gonna be careful with the edges. I'll probably use the other disc that I have there to get the edges. And I'll use this just for like the main part of the headlight. So this is step 2, and I'll get right back with you guys. All right guys, so since I already used the red sanding papers like these, it says to switch over to the gray ones. These are a lot softer, so I'm gonna do it to both of the headlights. And then the final step would be to apply the ceramic coat and see how it looks. So we're almost done, guys. Hold up. All right guys, so next is step 3, which is the final ceramic clear coat. So we just have to apply it horizontally, so sideways, to both headlights. Let it dry for 60 minutes and then we're all done. So I'll give you guys the final results right now and my final thoughts on this product, so I'll let you guys know. All right guys, so I'm not gonna lie, it came out way better than I expected for sure. The car's a little dirty, so I'll wash it tomorrow, but I have to wait 60 minutes for that clear coat to dry. But check it. Damn, they look hella new. Basically brand new headlights and shit. That looks crazy. Thoughts on that product? Recommended. 10 out of 10. I honestly haven't dealt with a headlight product like that one before, and that's hands down the best for sure. Go buy it at your local Walmart, Walgreens. Just kidding, but Walmart. So this is the final look. And damn, headlights look way different. Before you could see like the little yellowing rise to the top up here, but now it looks like a GTR. That's crazy. I should have done this a long time ago, see? Listen to your supporters or your haters, either or. But that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I do appreciate you guys watching another one. You already know, tune into the next one. I'll catch you later. Peace.